It's going to work for you. It's super cool. So let's get right into the tutorial.
How are you doing? Today, I'm going to show you how to get a working My Singing Monsters hack for iPhone and Android. So let me just open it up right here and show you guys. As you can see, I am broke in the My Singing Monsters, guys. But today, I'm going to teach you how to get rich. So as you can see, we can do unlimited diamonds. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on just to show you guys that it actually works. So let's see if our diamonds start going up on the My Singing Monsters or if it's not going to work. So I'm not sure, but it might work. So let's see what happens. And hopefully we see, and bang guys, look at that, it's actually going up. So I'm going to show you in this video how to get a working My Singing Monsters hack for your device so you can be like me. Alright, so let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is go to tweakmod.com. So on this site, guys, you want to go to the search bar and type in My Singing Monsters, press install, and now we just need to do one more step. So this final step, guys, is the verification. So during this step, we're going to have to download 2 apps and follow instructions from the App Store completely free. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So yeah, it's super cool. So yeah, let's see what happens. Alright, so it's loading right here. So yeah, I'll just give it a second. It's loading right now. Alright, so let's just see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, it says missing files. So we just need to download 2 of these apps. And this will install the My Singing Monsters mod into your device. So as you can see, we have many apps to choose from. For instance, Family Island, which tells me to reach level 11. It's a game, so I could do that. I could do, TikTok, down for 30 seconds. So just do 2 of them, guys. Then you'll have the My Singing Monsters mod. I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out, bro.